Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena if you're new, and today we're going to be doing a full glam Eid makeup tutorial. Thank you so much to Sephora for collaborating with me and sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to be working with them today to show you guys some amazing products that I absolutely love from Sephora. If you guys want to get some Eid makeup inspiration and want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to start out with prepping my face, and I always use the Becca Backlighting Priming Filter. It just makes your skin super glowy and preps your skin for foundation. Next, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite foundations. This is the Makeup Forever HD Cream Stick Foundation. I love the finish of this foundation. It's pretty full coverage, and since this is a glam Eid makeup look, I really want my skin to look absolutely perfect. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to go over all the foundation and just make sure that there's no brush strokes. Next, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite concealers. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I got the shade Light 2.75 Cannelle. I actually used this concealer on my wedding day, and since then I just have been like trying other concealers, and so I haven't gotten back to it yet. But you guys, like, I don't know why I ever went away from this concealer because it's just like perfect. It has like the most natural, beautiful finish. The other day, my sisters and I went to Sephora, and that's whenever I picked up all these products. And it's just like if you guys could see me and my sisters at Sephora, you guys would laugh like so hard. We test out all the makeup products, and we have so much craziness happening on all of our faces, and then we take off all of our makeup and we do like a full skincare routine. We do all the moisturizers, the serums, the facial sprays. Then we go over to the fragrances and we spray about 7 different fragrances all over ourselves before we go home. So we had our little makeup session, spa day / fragrance testing day all in one, and it's so funny. Like, we have so much fun. So I just finished blending out that concealer. It's a really pretty like medium to full coverage concealer. It looks really natural. So I'm going to set that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Next, I'm going to work on my brows, and I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe. Now I'm just setting my brows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Now I'm going to warm up my face with the Dallas Benefit Bronzer / Blush. The one thing that I wanted to mention to you guys about Sephora, in case you didn't already know, and that is the Beauty Insider program. If you're not already a Beauty Insider at Sephora, then I don't know what you're doing with your life. So basically, the Beauty Insider program is free to join, and there are just so many different perks that you can get with being a Beauty Insider. The first tier is Insider, the second tier is VIB, and then the third is Rouge. So depending on how much you spend per calendar year, you get to be in that specific tier, and then you get like more rewards the more that you spend. One thing that I love is that all you have to do is just sign up and be an insider, and you literally get a free birthday gift every single year. I cannot be the only one who looks forward to my birthday just so that I can get my birthday gift from Sephora. They always have like a really good gift. So when it's your birthday, you go to Sephora, you don't even have to buy anything, and you just go to the counter and you say, "Excuse me, where's my birthday gift? Thank you so much." I'm gonna go in with the Gold Rush Blush by Benefit. So another amazing thing about being a Beauty Insider is having access to the promotions that they do throughout the year. So the one that they just recently did was the Sephora Spring Bonus, where we got 10 to 15% off. And they do those kind of events a couple of times a year, so you don't want to miss out on it. You definitely want to be a Beauty Insider so you can get access to that. Next, I'm going to go in with Becca's Moonstone Highlighter. I got this tiny little baby one just because I wanted to try it out. Okay, so now my face is done. I'm going to start working on my eyes, which is what I'm extremely excited about because, you guys, I picked up this gorgeous Huda Beauty palette. This is the Desert Dust palette. Wait till you guys see. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen this, but there's some gorgeous warm tones, some like rose gold, some like orangey, and like purples. Like, this is just stunning, and I'm gonna create a like rose gold makeup look that would be perfect for Eid. First, I'm gonna go in with Eden, which is like this like orangey shade. I'm gonna mix it with Desert Sand just so it's a little bit more neutral, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. Brought you guys a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. To deepen up the crease a little bit, I'm going to use Musk, which is like a kind of cool tone brown. Okay, now that that's all blended out, I'm going to go in with a sparkly color on my lids, and I'm going to use Celestial. It is the most beautiful, like rose goldy iridescent shade, and it's like, it has like pink and gold in it. It's so, so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with liner, and I'm using the Marc Jacobs Highliner in Cocoa. And this is like a bronzy eyeliner color that's like a tiny bit metallic. It has like a little bit of shimmer in there. It is so pretty and blends so beautifully onto the eye. I'm usually a like black cat eye liner kind of girl. I love like a good wing. I just wanted to try something a little bit different, and this just really gives that beautiful like smoky soft effect. So I'm just working this into the upper lash line. You don't have to be super perfect with it because you can just blend it out once you're finished. I am going to do a little flick, and we can blend that out later to look a lot more like smoky and soft. So this is the eyeliner finished. It's just like a really like smoky, soft cat eye. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply some false lashes, and you can see the whole look come together. I'm applying the Tarteist mascara just to kind of coat my upper lashes. Okay, I forgot an inner corner highlight, so I'm going back in with Moonstone by Becca, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners and also underneath my brow bone. Okay, so this is what it looks like with lashes. I'm going to go ahead and do my lips, and I have some really exciting things to talk to you about because I picked up a couple of the Sephora Lip Stories lipsticks, and you guys, okay, they're only $8 and they are so, so good. Okay, first of all, they come in like a really cute packaging. Apparently there's like a story behind each one, but I picked up a couple of the nude shades and one like berry color. I picked up Brunch Date. It's like more of a matte like nude, like a peachy nude. I also picked up Tan Lines, which is also a peachy nude, but it's a little bit more of a cream sheen. And I picked up Spring Break, which is like a really pretty berry color. So here's the swatches of the lipsticks. They are just absolutely gorgeous. They're such good quality, and for only $8, I need to go back and like find some more colors because you guys, they had like so many different colors and like different finishes to choose from. I'm obsessed. You guys need to go and check them out like right now. I'm using Brunch Date, which is the perfect nude to finish off this look. Okay, so this is what Brunch Date looks like on. It's a matte finish, but it's not too drying. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's like the perfect everyday nude color in my opinion. I was wearing it on my stories the other day, and you guys were like going crazy in my DMs asking me which one this was. So now you know. Now that I'm finished, I'm gonna use the Caudalie Beauty Elixir Facial Spray. I love, love, love the way that this smells. Alright guys, this is the finished makeup look. I love how it turned out. I hope that you guys liked this video and got some inspiration on what you're going to do for your Eid makeup looks. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!